Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a Crunchyroll account. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch any browser of your choice, which of course I have done right here. I'm currently using Google Chrome. So from your browser, go ahead and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type crunchyroll.com. Just follow the URL in here. And that's going to take you to this fantastic homepage. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have this profile icon. Click on that, and here you have three options that says create account, login, gift card. But then go ahead and click on create account. Then you have this window open up for you to enter your email address and just create a password. So I'm going to just use this because this email address and this password was solely created for this purpose, so it's not anything official. Okay, so I want don't really want to do this, so I'm just going to have to click on create account. Click on this and see where it takes me next. We've created a profile for you. Awesome. So profiles personalize your experience with thank you. So I'm just gonna have to click on skip for now. You can just click on view my profile for you to see, you understand, to get a preview of what it looks like. So I'm gonna go all X on these two. Now you can use the unlimited anime ads for 3,000 naira per month. You can go there, or you can just go all X on it. So here my profile has been created. Said to fully enjoy Crunchyroll, please verify your email address. Now you can use that verification link, but then this has been created. And how do you know? Just go ahead and click on this top right corner of your screen and you see Makamanda. That's my name. So my profile has been created. It means I have officially or finally created an account on Crunchyroll. So that's pretty much it. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.